we'll guide you through how to make VHS effect Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom is open, import the photo you want to edit into the program. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the basic panel to begin making the initial adjustments. Lower the contrast slightly to reduce the difference between the light and dark areas and create a softer overall appearance. After adjusting the contrast, reduce the clarity slider to soften fine details and give the image a smoother look that matches the VHS style. Once the basic adjustments are complete, open the color grading panel to apply the characteristic color tones. Add a cyan tone to the shadows by adjusting the shadow color wheel until the darker areas have a subtle blue-green tint. Next, add a magenta tone to the highlights by adjusting the highlight color wheel to give the brighter areas a gentle pink or purple cast. Balance both colors until the image resembles the color grading commonly seen in VHS recordings. After completing the color adjustments, open the Effects panel to add finishing details. Increase the grain amount to introduce visible film grain and create the textured appearance associated with old videotapes. Adjust the grain level until it complements the image without becoming too strong. After adding the grain, apply a subtle vignette effect by darkening the edges of the photo slightly to focus attention toward the center of the frame. Keep the vignette soft so it blends naturally with the rest of the image.